Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. A modern oasis, architecture in harmony with nature. The interplay of human ingenuity and natural beauty is perhaps most vividly expressed in architectural design. A modern white house, nestled beside a serene green lake with pine-clad hills as a backdrop, is a testament to this harmonious relationship. Such a structure is more than just a dwelling. It is a statement of contemporary living, a bridge between indoor and outdoor spaces, and a celebration of the environment. The starkness of the white exterior serves as a canvas, reflecting the changing hues of the sky and the surrounding landscape. White, a color often associated with purity and simplicity, aligns perfectly with the modern architectural ethos. The large glass doors, acting as portals to nature, blur the lines between interior and exterior. This design choice maximizes natural light, bringing the outdoors in and creating a sense of spaciousness. The house becomes a frame through which to experience the ever-changing spectacle of the lake and the forest. The placement of the house next to the lake is a strategic move that leverages the water body's cooling effect and its aesthetic appeal. Water is a powerful visual element, and its presence immediately elevates the property's ambience. The gentle lapping of waves and the sight of waterbirds can be soothing and meditative. Moreover, the lake serves as a natural mirror, reflecting the sky and the house, doubling the visual impact of the surroundings. Behind the house, the pine forest hills provide a verdant backdrop. The contrast between the soft, organic shapes of the hills and the clean lines of the house creates visual interest. The forest also acts as a natural sound barrier, ensuring peace and tranquility within the dwelling. Additionally, the pine trees offer shade, helping to regulate the house's temperature. This architectural concept is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It is also environmentally conscious. By maximizing natural light, the house reduces the need for artificial lighting, leading to energy savings. The proximity to the lake and the forest can potentially support sustainable practices such as rainwater harvesting and renewable energy generation. In essence, the modern White House by the lake is a masterful blend of form and function. It is a structure that respects its environment while offering its inhabitants a high quality of life. It is a testament to human creativity and a celebration of nature's beauty. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.